Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Good morning, boys and girls. Today we have a new book we're going to read. It is called Moo Cow, Moo Cow. Please eat nicely. Close your mouth when chewing food. Just look at Cow, she's very rude. I gotta chomp, 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 chomp. Take your time, don't rush your snack, or gulp it down like duck hear quack. Quack, quack. He's chopping his apple. When enjoying a tasty treat, don't be like Anteater, try to be neat. When you drink, please don't slurp, or worse than that, like Piggy, burp. So that's our book on how to eat and eat nicely and neatly. So I need all of my friends to send Miss Sam a picture or a video of your favorite foods to eat. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.